Hello, I'm Eric Blanchard. I'm a student here at Oregon State University, and today Rick is going to teach me something.
Hi, my name is Rick Wilson. I am a former student, alumnus, and professor at Oregon State University, and now I'm a student again. And so today I am very pleased to help Eric learn how to make apple pie, which I think is the quintessential dessert that you can make. What we're going to need is some all-purpose flour. We're going to need some shortening, beautiful Granny Smith apples. We're going to need a little bit of lemon juice to put on the apples so the apples don't turn brown. And then we're going to have our spices. Some cinnamon, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a little quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. And then for the top, we've got a little bit of special crystallized sugar to make the pie look really pretty. And that's very important. It has to look good. What we're going to do first is we're going to make the pie crust. And we need our cup measure. And we're going to put 2 level cups of flour into our little blending machine. Now we're going to need 1 teaspoon of salt. So let's mix the salt, and now we're going to need some shortening. We're going to need 2 3/8 inch or 2/3 cups of shortening. So let's get this. Okay. So let's mix this up. All right. Give her a good mix there. Actually, we're going to let this rest for half an hour in the refrigerator, and it will do its magic and become a really beautiful dough that we'll be able to roll out. And we're going to start making up our apple mixture. So what we're going to need is we're going to need a cutting board. The apples are already washed and everything, so we're just going to go ahead and start peeling those. So let's take a look. Notice, no seeds. And then you want to cut it up into nice, thin little pieces. Just like that.
Okay.
Okay, and so we're going to put a little bit of lemon juice on there. And so let's stir this a little bit. Now let's put our sugar in there. Here's our cup measure. Get the sugar on there. Now this is really something that it's really easy to forget. You need a tablespoon of flour because see what the flour does, the flour mixes with the butter and the juice to become this nice sauce, nice apple sauce inside. So you got to put a tablespoon of flour in there. And so now we're going to put a teaspoon of ground cinnamon in, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, or like it says in the instructions, a dash. So I cut it in half so we can have one for the top crust and one for the lower crust. Right. So now we'll put a little flour out here and some on the top. Get this knife out of here. And we got the rolling pin. I'm going to put a little flour on the rolling pin. So, and you roll out to the outside.
Oh, okay.
So we'll put this down on the center, and then what we'll do is we'll grab our knife. We're going to cut this about an inch over. So let's pull that away and take a look at it. We'll pull all these other pieces off to the side. Okay, and we lay that down. And then we'll come back and just lay our pie crust. We've got our filling right here, so we'll put our apples in there. Okay, that looks pretty good. Just come over here, put that down. That is a pie. Now we got to do a little surgery on the top.
Okay.
Make it so it will let the air out just a little bit. I'm going to grab a little bit of milk and put it in here, and then we're going to paint it with a little bit of wash. we got the last ingredient, okay? The crystallized sugar sprinkles. We will just put that in the oven, right in the middle rack. There it is. We have it complete.
Oh. Dude, the crust. Flaky.
And I'm getting a lot of that cinnamon in the apples. It's really nice.
Yep.
You know what I would love is if we had some like some vanilla ice cream.
Oh, that would go great with this.
That'd be like just the thing to top it off.